If your PVC jump rope doesn't have this one feature, then it can significantly hold you back and cost you more money in the long run. I'm gonna show you what this feature is and why it makes such a big difference in the performance of your rope. Let's go. I often hear people say any jump rope is fine, but that's just not true. Gear quality matters in every sport in existence. That doesn't mean you need the Rolls Royce of jump ropes, but you do need to choose wisely in order to perform your best. And I'm only talking $20 to $25 price range here, so don't freak out. First, let's cover the problem. Cheap PVC jump ropes are stretchy and break easily. This causes your cheap $10 rope that was such a great deal to break fast, so you have to buy it over and over, costing you more and more. If your rope is stretchy, it creates a delay in the response time. If you've never jumped with a good rope, you very well may not notice this, but that doesn't mean it doesn't exist. It will be slower and cause you more trips. That's because rope stretch equals change in your rope length, and consistency is everything in jump rope. A stretching rope suddenly makes your rope longer, causing it to bottom out sooner, which kicks it up into your feet, causing more frustration. But there is a single feature no one talks about that stops all of this, and that's a nylon core. This may look like a fuzzy little flaw, but it's actually what eliminates stretchiness, creating a much faster and more responsive rope. Where you will really feel the difference is when you are accelerating into max speed, making quick transitions from skill to skill, and doing any crossing skills where you want to be able to quickly cross and uncross the rope. But poor quality ropes still have a big problem. Did you know that PVC ropes aren't only made of PVC material? Cheap ropes are mostly, if not completely PVC, but PVC by itself is a pretty weak substance. It can become very brittle in cold weather, causing it to snap quickly, and become very soft and flexible in hot weather, making it very hard to jump with. Companies who actually put in the work to develop the best PVC cords don't advertise the makeup of their rope, but it's often a combination of PVC, nylon, and rubber. Too much nylon and it can become too stiff, and too much rubber creates a rope that is way too flexible, causing it to bounce off the ground and up into your feet, making you trip. Elite Jumps is a brand I've trusted and used for years. They don't source their rope cords from Alibaba or AliExpress like so many knockoffs you see online trying to save a buck and increase their profits at your expense. They actually spend more having it manufactured here in the United States to meet their exact specifications and standards. What you get is a more durable PVC rope that can perform at a very high level. I don't hesitate taking this rope on vacation and jumping on concrete for a week, or even on the street or park by my house on occasion. Yes, these surfaces can certainly wear down a rope faster than if you jump on a mat, but they can take a lot more than the poor quality soft PVC jump ropes out there. And on a mat, which is always a solid choice, these ropes will last a long time. I have Elite Jumps linked down below with a discount code so you can check them out. But what rope gauge should you choose? 4mm PVC ropes tend to be a little too light for my liking, making it more difficult to feel and jump with. Plus, thinner ropes wear out faster. My personal favorite is the 5mm PVC rope. It has great feel and is capable of the basics all the way up to the more advanced high-speed skills and tricks. But if you're more of a beginner, I highly recommend a 6mm PVC rope. This will provide a little more weight and feedback, helping you develop and improve your timing and rhythm so you can grow your skills more quickly. Or you can just grab one of each of the 5 and 6mm so you can change things up, develop different feels, and have fun. If you want to eliminate the struggles of learning and growing your jump rope skills fast, I show you the 3 things I wish I knew when I started right here.